Welcome to this video on how to make a leprechaun bead. To make this bead, you'll need some very basic tools and supplies. A pair of tweezers, a knife or shaping tool, a dip mandrel, and some glass. For this video, we're using a 332 mandrel and 5 colours of 104 soft glass, which will be black, ivory, yellow, and orange, and Blarney Stone green. We begin by pulling a thick stringer of the black glass, which will be used later for the band on the leprechaun's hat. We'll need enough to go around the whole bead, so 3 to 4 inches will do. We start with making a medium-sized barrel bead, which will be on the leprechaun's body and hat. Time to use the thick stringer to add the band to the hat. Place this stringer on the top third of the barrel bead. Use the knife or shaping tool to make a small adjustments to straighten the band. Once the band is straight, gently roll it on the marver to flatten the band slightly. Now it's time to add the leprechaun's beard. With the orange glass, make 3 to 4 swipes of the glass starting from the middle of the bead towards the base of the bead. Leave a little space between the black band of the hat and where the beard starts. We need to leave room for the brim of the hat. Remember to reheat the whole bead. Keep it warm to prevent it from cracking. Use the knife or shaping tool to add some texture to the beard. With the green glass, add a stripe between the black band and the top of the beard. Use the knife to gently push the green glass up to touch the black band. Gently roll the bead on the marver to flatten the brim a little. Use the knife to straighten the brim of the hat. Now to add the buckle on the front of the hat, we'll need to pull a short stringer of the yellow glass. Add a dot of small glass on the band at the front of the hat. Gently press this dot down. Make slight adjustments to the center of the buckle and the front of the hat. To finish the buckle, place a tiny dot of black glass in the middle of the yellow dot and gently press it down. To make the nose, add a medium-sized dot of ivory glass in the middle of the beard just below the brim of the hat. With the knife, gently press this dot down. To add the feet, add medium-sized dots of black glass at the base of the bead, making sure not to touch the mandrel. Press the dots up towards the leprechaun's body. Add some heat to the base of the feet to make sure they are really melted in, to help make sure they don't break off later. And there you have a leprechaun bead. Thanks for watching. Have fun torching. That was the most horrible torture of an Irish accent I've ever heard.